You said, what is his name? Asaridokubo. Is that a name? No, I am asking, is Asaridokubo a name? Call him a confused person. Asaridokubo is very confused. He doesn't know what he's saying. He have not even control ordinary that region of his own, Ejo. Not to talk of talking to Southeast as a whole, the Easterners as a whole. Who is Asaridokubo? Who know Asaridokubo? He's a kitchen farmer. Nothing but a kitchen farmer. He knows nothing. The Fulanis came to his village and took all that belongs to them. Asaridokubo, where were you? How many times have you rise to protect the citizens in Niger? The youth in Niger? The ones that have murdered in a cold blood? How many times do you stand? How many times do you rise? How many times do you defend them? I want to know. And I would like you to challenge. I want you to talk. I want to look at when you are ranting, promoting APC government and doing all sorts. At the end of the day, because you are too selfish, self-centered, you were doing it expecting that Asiwaju will give you a slot because you are a harlot. Because Asiwaju understand the game better than you. And the same mouth which you use to promote Asiwaju and call him a better names is what you use to condemn him. Are you not a coward? Are you not being stupid? Are you not being senseless? My brother, don't be a fool. It is better for you to join the game and be wise. Wake up.
But
I believe you are still sleeping.
But he has said Tinubu should allow Igbos go. That since Igbos they don't want to be together with Nigeria again, they should let the Igbos go.
Who is Asaridokubo? In the first place, I've told you, it's nobody. As long as I am concerned, he will not be the one to tell Nigerian government what to do. After he has never for one day supported the Igbos. He has never for one day agreed that he's an Igbo man. Because they turn him down. If a gamble here, a gamble here, a gamble here, a gamble here. He's not steady. He doesn't know his ground. Listen and listen very carefully. Are you listening to me? Yeah. Asaridokubo should go and search very well where he come from. Let him search the origin of his blood group. Where did he belongs to? Because original Igbo man doesn't behave like that. Maybe people like him, the group of Hopus or Jojo and Sunday, but the foolish ones. I know in a place where there is good, we always have the bad eggs, such as Mbah and Hopus or Jojo and somebody like Dokubo. Dokubo, check out the name Dokubo. God bless you, my brother. Leave those ones. They are not even a headache to us.
They're not a headache.
At all. Dokubo should go and trace himself first before talking to the Southeast.
So the Biafrans, they should ignore all what he's saying and focus on the Ekpa cause and the Biafra cause.
Definitely. Simon Ekpa is the man that are proven to us.
But he has said that with somebody in Finland, be controlling the Biafran land. They say, how is that possible?
Listen very carefully. There is what we call mandate. And there is what we call cross. Hear me. God, where is God? God is in heaven, but God uses men on earth to do something, to do the undoable. Are you hearing me? Simon Ekpa standing today because I don't know if you listened to his telecast yesterday. It was worldwide. I followed for over 3 hours. I was with him live. Different countries, from different countries, making calls, asking him, throwing questions. If you listen to the answers, you will know that this man truly, God has given him 1,000 wisdom men of a truth. Yes, men and women are ready that are from the Biafra people. They are ready and they are willing to go. And they are willing to stand. Are you hearing me? Don't be in the dark. The truth is establishing one day. And remember, every journey starts a day. Are you hearing me? So he said that they should sit at home. Yes, he has unfinished business. There is something, listen to me. There is something that the people did not understand about him and Nnamdi Kanu. They are not cowards like them. I listened to him yesterday live. He said, being an educated person, there are procedures. And those procedures is what Nnamdi Kanu did. You know, we have Simon Ekpa, but we did not know him as one like this. Until when Nnamdi Kanu now opened his eyes, when Nnamdi Kanu now educated him and put him through, he now carried the step where Nnamdi Kanu stopped. He took over from there to finish the unfinished business. Are you getting it? And that is why he's coming out smoking. 2023, do you know what have happened? Do you know that the Nigerians have been killing the Easterners, the Igbos, and nothing happened? Listen and listen very carefully. Remember, before today, Operation Python Dance, my brother, if you lost your beloved son or your beloved brother or a friend, somebody just normal protest like this, as they are planning it now, then you go and use arm and armor tank. How will you feel if you are the surviving person in the family?
Very, very bad.
How will you feel? Definitely you will not be happy. No, if you are talking, don't not because the thing did not happen to you, it did not reach you. Are you getting it? We are humans. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
So what Simon Ekpa is doing is for the benefit of the Southeast, the Biafrans as a whole. Are you hearing me? It's for the benefit of everybody. Listen to me. They ask him, how will this thing be? And how the Biafrans are. He says it's a home of peace, that the Biafra will be a place whereby other nations would like to copy. Are you hearing it? Many nations in Africa, even in the world, will like to do what? Copy Biafra. Don't worry. Then I ask him a question. Is it within 5 years? He said, first and foremost, let's get what we are looking for. Then building it, there is no need of talking. Seeing is believing. Are you getting it? Yeah. So Simon Ekpa is there. He's over there doing the right thing. And let me tell you for your own information. But the truth is this, that the Nigerian government doesn't tell us the truth that we need to hear. Are you getting it?
In the Southeast?
Not in the Southeast, in Nigeria as general. They don't tell us the truth. What is happening? Are you getting it? In the world at large, Nigeria is conquered. UK and Nigeria, they are regretting for arresting Nnamdi Kanu. For your information, in case you don't know. They are regretting it today because they never knew that this thing will go to this extent.
But they are regretting, why have they not released him?
No, listen to me. Somebody asked a question and they asked Simon Ekpa. I'm telling you, this is live. That was yesterday. Something that took place yesterday. They asked him, what do you think or how will you feel if 2 days or 3 days or some days before the declaration of Biafra in Finland and then now releasing Nnamdi Kanu? What do you think that will happen? Went to the agitations. And he answered, he said there's a difference between agitation, Biafra agitation, and the kidnapping of Nnamdi Kanu. Are you getting it? It was illegal. It was a kidnap. They kidnapped him. So they need to free him. The man that was in the position then, Buhari, whether the living Buhari or the dead Buhari, are you hearing me? That kidnapped him in Nigerian court of law under the constitution of Nigeria. He defeated him. And the court conclude everything and set him free. Okay, you are free to go. Out of shame and disgrace, they don't want to let him go. And he himself now asked them, well, let's take this matter to ICC, International Criminal Court. They know born Nigeria where to take him there. Because they know international bodies have even issued one into Nigeria to release that man. He's an innocent. So he has no business with our agitation. Arresting him or releasing him has no business. And arresting he cannot stop it. Releasing he cannot stop it. I don't know if you are getting me. So they have reached the bridge. What remains now is to cross it. Are you hearing me? What remains now is to what? to cross, and once we cross it to enter the other side has become a border.
So you still believe in December 2024?
Baba, not that if I still believe, there are other things going, not just.
No, let me rephrase. 2nd December.
2nd of December
2024.
Declaration
Yeah,
Day.
the Declaration Day, the independence of Biafra.
In Finland.
In Finland.
In Finland. Which he said he will bring Finland to Biafra land. He will bring Finland to Biafra land. Listen to me. Nigeria don't know what it takes to fight for freedom. To gain freedom. Finland was once under the USSR, under Russia.
USSR.
Are you getting it? And they throw some question and he said, go and ask. It was yesterday. It was yesterday, and I realized that in 1787, the United States of America fought a civil war. In 1787, America fought a civil war. Go and do your findings. That same yesterday, a man from Benue called, because different people come from Lagos here, different countries and different states. A man from Benue called, and he was asking, based on what the Fulanis are doing to them, that they needed a help. How can he come in so that they can get the help? And he told him that they have rendered help to that side, but they are unfaithful to themselves. So the man that would have been faithful to them, or the man that he trusted, according to the answer, you know what he said? He said that Otomi, during the Otomi's leadership, and now that was the man's name. He said Otomi offered his car for the Nigerian government to carry the person to the station for interrogation. On their way going, they killed the man. And nobody said anything up to today. So the rest ran back. So no one is sincere. So listen to me. Listen and listen very good. Simon Ekpa is running the game well and faster. And when it is being declared, it's not, hello. When it shall come to pass, the birds that is on the ground will fly. Go to Imo State, every citizen of Imo State, especially the youth, have been murdered in a cold blood. God bless you, my brother. It is quite unfortunate that we have cowards in the southeast in a leadership position who seems not to understand the handwriting on the wall. Hear this, Mbah and whatsoever. I don't care whom you are or what you think. It's part of the message I am taking out this evening. The position that you are in that position for a purpose. And whereby that purpose is not being reached or being touched or being accomplished, you are a failure. You are being sent there to protect the life of the people and the properties of the people. Instead of you representing us well, over there you are busy killing and taking the innocence of souls who promote you to the position where you are, which you're supposed to protect them. Yes, listen and listen good. I use this opportunity, this avenue, to advise every citizen of Biafra to say the Eastern region, youth, they should take this as a concrete advice. Please, we are not protesting against any government of Nigeria. The best way of our protest is to sit at home. That is the best. And the time bringing about 20,000, if they like, let all the armed forces of Nigeria come for themselves in the east. Will you go and force somebody out of his room to come outside? Nobody wants to be a victim. Everybody like victory. Listen and listen very good. When we protested NSAS, they ended up calling it the Igbo's propaganda. Are you getting it? They put it upon our head. So this time around, we will not do that. And there is something these people fail to understand. This is an avenue, a strategy which they are using in order to present us as one Nigeria in outside the country, because we are not one. Look at Ononuga fighting Obi for no just cause.
Say the Obi should be
threatening Obi and the obedience that Obi should be arrested. But to look at Atiku openly, say that it's in support of the protest. And Ononuga, what have you done? Nothing. What did you say? Nothing.
Shegumi,
what did nothing? Shegumi even said it openly. What have Nigerian government done? Nothing. Then Mbah and also the Ojo in the Eastern region, they want to continue where they have stopped. Go to Imo State, every citizen of Imo State, especially the youth, have been murdered in a cold blood. They want to bring them out this time to finish what they have started, to finish where they have stopped. It is not going to work for you people. The life of every Eastern region Biafran citizens is very, very important. We are not bloodsuckers. Yes, Ekpa want to save lives. Biafra is known as peace. We are not meant for violence. And neither are we prepared to lose souls. Because Mbah and the hope of Uzodema, if you people were killed in your mother's womb, or even when your mother gave birth to you, will you become a governor today? Will you be in the position where you are today? You people are heartless. So you people should have a rethink, reason, think, answers. The Igbos in Lagos here, the shops we are broken, their properties we are stolen. In fact, it was hijacked. And at the end of the day, they say it's Igbo. For how long? For how long shall this thing continue in a country they call one Nigeria? Are we one? You people should wake up. Although I am not surprised, because you are fighting because of your pocket, because as a selfish governor you claim to be. But I thank God in Biafra land we know who is our governor. His Excellency Simon Ekpa. Okudioba. Listen and listen very carefully. I'm using this medium to tell every citizen, youth in the southeast, nobody should come outside. Everybody should sit at home. Sit at home and secure your life. But if you want to prove stubborn and come outside, whatsoever you see, take it. Don't blame anybody. It is your cause and it is your cross. Then you will carry your family and you will carry it.
But for a state like Enugu now, I think on the 29th, they want to do staff verification in Enugu State, Petamba. So he has encouraged the staffs of Enugu State to come out and for the verification on the 29th, which is sit at home. But Ekpa has advised them that if anything happens to them on that 29th, they should not say it's Ekpa, but he has advised them to sit at home. So who do not think they should answer? Is it they should
listen to Simon Ekpa, that is the original governor. Somebody who carry you at the heart is your person. Not somebody who want to bring you out and slaughter you. We don't want to continue wasting blood of the youth again. Because the youths are the future of a nation. We can't continue wasting their lives. Hear me and hear me clearly. They should listen to Ekpa. They should live in back. Listen and listen good. I said this thing time without number. Last 2 months, a girl of Enugu State at the age of 16 was raped by Fulanis. They were raped in Enugu State. About 5 of them. What happened? Mbah didn't do anything. And a farmer came out of his farm in order to render help. What happened? They shot the man dead up till now. But what have you done? Nothing. What did you do? Do you bring justice? Is there anything to look for those that carry out that evil thing? No. All you could do is to tell the youth to come out for the zoo to kill them again. It's not going to be possible. Every youth in the southeast should sit at home. Like here in Lagos, I my very self, I am sitting at home. I'm not coming outside. I don't have business with Nigeria. We have already have business. We will face our business and finish it.